Welcome. If you've been trying to find all the products you wanted on Facebook Web on PC after the new update, this quick guide will show you exactly where to go. Sometimes Facebook hides these options in a few extra menus, so if you don't know where to look, it can feel confusing. But once you follow these steps, you'll be able to reach your wanted products much faster and check everything in one place. First, open Facebook Web on your PC and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open the main menu with several account options. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. After that, enter Activity Log. This is where Facebook stores a lot of your recent actions and account activity, so it's the right place to search for things you've interacted with before. Inside Activity Log, click on your Facebook activity. This section organizes different types of activity in your account, making it easier to find specific items without scrolling endlessly. Now look for Shops and open that section. Once you're inside Shops, select products you wanted. This is the area where Facebook keeps track of products you saved, showed interest in, or wanted to check later. If you were looking for items you liked previously, this is the place to review them. And that's it. You've now reached all the products you wanted on Facebook Web using the updated path on PC. This method is simple, useful, and helps you quickly find products without needing to search all over again. If this helped, make sure to try these steps on your own account and see how easy it is to access your wanted products anytime.